Hi, my name is Ogochukwu Nancy Onigbo, and I'm privileged to be part of the committee for Lagos Igbo Hangout Edition 1. Wow, a guest experience manager. I work in hospitality. And the first time I heard about Lagos Igbo Hangouts, I was like, ooh, I'm in Lagos and I want to be a part of this. I mean, I want to meet my fellow Igbo people, mingle, share ideas, and just enjoy the culture. And I reached out to Mpa, and you can say the rest is history. And yeah, it's been an amazing ride. Yeah, the role I played was the official or unofficial therapist, publicity as well. I handled the volunteers, the publicity, and also I was like the interpreter because I can say I speak Igbo very fluently. So when we needed to talk to our fellow kinsmen in Igbo language, I was always the one that was, handling that part of the event. So it was good because it helped me, to sharpen my own language skills, Igbo skills, and everything. But yeah, those are some of my roles. Yeah, so some of the challenges that I faced personally planning this event was balancing it with my job because a lot of the people in the team have their 9 to 5, some are business persons. And for the nature of my job, I have to be hands on. But then I get to jump on calls, I get to, be on meetings. It was a challenge. And also coming to the therapist part, so lots of the team members usually, kind of reach out to me with personal issues when heads are boiling. People are, having ideas and things are clashing. Kind of try to, keep the balance and all of that. So I think it was challenging being the calm person or being the person that reels everybody together and reminds all of us that we're working for the same goal. So it was a bit challenging at times because sometimes I also get, agitated and I want to say things, but then I'm like, the common goal, keep the common goal in mind. So Lagos Igbo Hangouts, it was a lovely thing to behold, to listen to from the get go, the plans. Oh, it was a coming together of like-minded, smart, one of the smartest group of people I've ever met and worked with. I love it. I mean, we had meetings, midnight meetings. We rarely slept, but these people are good at their jobs. They are good at their craft. And shout out to Umpa. You guys, that guy, he's going places because he literally conceived this. And we just jumped on the bandwagon. And he never gave us this vibe of, oh, it's my thing. No, Umpa is always, it's a team effort. And we all banded together. And guys, we made magic.